Look, I didn't want you doing anything you weren't comfortable with.
Matt, I can't speak for Joe, but I'm not comfortable with that.
Not only that, they're proud of it.
I'm very proud of you, Diana.
I'm bored with this game.
We've become bored with watching actors give us phony emotions.
Are you familiar with Spotlight?
I'm not familiar with the term.
I feel confident in my conclusions without it.
Reporters are so confident in what they say.
And I was worried about Jimmy.
I'm worried about her.
They're impatient for their freedom.
The Baron is impatient for Leto's reply.
You're not afraid of heights, are you?
Didn't you tell me your wife was afraid of dogs?
Right. So now you're responsible for it.
You are responsible for whatever happens to this animal, Doctor.
Two steamer trunks full of money.
The back was full of drugs. Nonsense.
I'm really attracted to you.
And we're also attracted to shiny things.
I'm more concerned about you.
And are you concerned about me?
You guys interested in any more work?
I'm sure I don't know anybody who'll be interested in this.
You're not capable of taking care of a child.
I'm perfectly capable of taking care of myself.
I'm not dependent on you for company.
He was dependent on me. And so grateful.
Together, we can get him excited about learning.
Are you excited about going to college?
Rick, I'm very pleased with how you progressed.
I believe that God was pleased with Bobby's kind and loving spirit.
You'll be amazed at what people leave at airports. Come.
You'll be amazed at some of the theories people have come out with.
That's an anxiety dream. Are you anxious about something?
I'm terribly anxious about Beth.
You're terrified of what you might say.
They were all terrified of me. Still are.
And I was never envious of anything that you had.
The funny thing is, I've always been envious of you.
We are so blessed and thankful to God for all of you.
Don't get me wrong. I'm thankful to you both.
Perhaps she is angry with me.
Is the Emperor angry with me?
They believe that the colonies should be independent of the king.
It's independent of all others.
But you can see, though, how the family's been annoyed with her at times.
Only when I'm annoyed with you.
The others were gracious and curious about the man who'd saved my life.
Were you curious about where it all came from?
Not jealous of Ben.
It's just that I'm jealous of her.
We pride ourselves in being supportive and tolerant of our students.
And the Greeks are far more tolerant of us.
You should be ashamed of yourself, speaking of a stranger that way.
Your father would be ashamed of you.
I have never been very skilled at games, Moses.
The point is, he'll be invisible and skilled at hiding his tracks.
It was more about me being obsessed with the job.
Actually, he was particularly obsessed with one movie, The Wizard of Oz.
They're not happy with me.
What do you expect? You seem quite happy with that result.
When we were together, you were so passionate about becoming a lawyer.
She's passionate about food. She loves food.
But you're conscious of the taste of your food.
Barely conscious of his surroundings.
What?
Hal is less than enthusiastic about the idea.
He didn't seem too enthusiastic about my park.
He will never be disappointed with you.
I was scared you'd be disappointed with domestic life.
So they're not satisfied with the quality of the paper.
Are you satisfied with our product?
I'm impressed with what you've done.
And I was impressed with the partners.
It's really similar to yours.
I've seen many cases very similar to this.
She's very fond of me, you know.
I'm not overly fond of what follows.